What's up, guys? Scott Patterson here from my Total Life Happiness channel. How are you today? As you know, this channel is dedicated to helping beginners in affiliate marketing make their first dollar online. Look at that, just upgraded my header because it was not really congruent before. Looking a bit more, making a bit more sense now, which is good. I will probably adapt it as we go along, but anyway, that is what it is at the moment. Now, I just want to, as you know, I've just started this channel, so pretty much brand new, and all I've been doing is creating content. I have been paying for a few YouTube ads just to run a few tests on different things, but that's about it at the moment. So I'm just using YouTube as a free traffic model, because what I do is promote a product and a company called Legendary Marketer. So if you click on that, you can learn more about those guys. So my concept is I'll have two strategies. I'll have a free traffic strategy. YouTube is one of them. That's my long-term strategy. So building videos, creating content, that sort of stuff. And that will grow long-term. Short-term, I have a paid strategy. I've been testing a few different ones, but getting some good results with solo ads, and I'll do a video about that a bit later on. But and also just been testing TikTok for free. There's two options with TikTok. There's a free organic traffic, and I've just set up an account, so I'll do a video about that one too, show you how I'm going. But we're starting to get some runs on the board, which is good. And I guess the main thing is, especially I found, because I had a channel back in 2006 when YouTube pretty much just came out, and I had an offline business. I was running two businesses at the time, and I was just testing the waters with the online space because it was all brand new and no one really knew what was going on. But people were starting making some money, so I set up a YouTube channel back then, and I was too freaked out to go on camera, so I got my beautiful wife to be the spokesmodel, and she was into scrapbooking, and she still does it. Very creative soul, but she was creating layouts and designs, and started getting picked up in magazines and that sort of stuff. So I thought, well, let's do a channel, and it's still floating around, but it's pretty crap, but I'll show you anyway. I think it was called Cheap Scrapbooking Ideas. So basically I had no idea, and we were just starting out, and threw up some, where is it? Oh, it's a blog. Cheap scrapbooking ideas. Might have been under my other name. Not my other name. Not like I'm running away from the tax department. But lesson 3. YouTube. Anyway, I may not be able to find it. It's been ages since I've looked at it. I just want to show you it's pretty ordinary, but the thing is, we were making content, and we were making original content, and just out of dumb luck, we were getting ranked highly on keywords. And we had only 12 videos or something, so nothing enormous, but we had 500,000 views, and we were in YouTube. I know I had 6 videos in the top 10, and we were on Google as well. But I didn't know what was going on, and subscribers, we had about 350 odd. But once again, I wasn't passionate about it, and I wasn't driving it, and that's the difference. So find something that you're passionate about, something you can get into, and just show up. Be the person you need to be to make it happen, and then you'll get all the energy. As I've said before, I used to be freaked out, absolutely freaked out, getting on on camera. So much so as a kid, like it just caused me so many issues, just even standing in front of people. But I fixed. Well, I fixed the camera thing. Took a bit longer, but I fixed being like stage fright. I did some training courses with Tony Robbins, and awesome trainer. If you're looking for someone with the tools to help you out with, just about anything, he's a good man to talk to. And basically faced my fears, and it's all in your head. It's all in your head, and people don't care, but you cause the problems in your head. But anyway, I digress. Getting back to my channel, so as you can see, and we just started getting some subscribers. Yay, got 4. It's huge. It's huge, but it's a start. So the thing is, it's going to grow. Hello, kitty. That's my daughter's cat. If you can see him, that's good. That's good. You can sit on that other chair. But so I guess the message I'm trying to point out and drive home here is be persistent and be consistent. So set aside some time with everyone has busy lives, but dedicate some time, even if it's just making one video a day or creating one bit of content or whatever your thing is, do one a day. And whether that's after work or before work, or if you've got some time, the beauty with videos now is you can bang out videos like really quickly and easily, so you don't need a whole production team with you. But just do it, and just do it consistently, and then you'll start to see results slowly. But then, and I've been watching other guys who are really successful in the make money space, because that's the space I've gone into. And some of those guys have made 70, 80, 100 videos, and they're still not making any traction. They're slowly growing, but and then all of a sudden, boom, it just shoots up. It just goes ballistic, because what my understanding is, you're fitting, you're meeting the demands for YouTube's algorithm. And once you start giving YouTube what they want, which is just good quality content, don't throw crap out there. You want to help people, or at least educate people in the best way you can. But give them what they want, and they'll give you what you want, which is, they're my sunglasses cat, which is traffic and views and viewers and subscribers. So that is it. Just a short video today, but I will make some other videos based on what I spoke about earlier. And what I'm going to start doing is including all my trainings. So apart from this, I'll put more trainings. If you go to this little site and sign up, where are we? Scotty, Matthew. So this is my little funnel for the Legendary Marketer product that I promote. You can sign up there. It won't cost you anything if you don't want to proceed, but you will get access to future trainings and videos and stuff that I'm doing. So if you want just to start learning without spending any money, then that's the best. I'm basically use my dollar, because I'm testing everything that I can stumble across to find, and then posting the results. So, and then obviously, all results are not typical. Everyone varies differently, but it's probably the best way to get started on a minimal investment. And then when you're ready, and you're ready to move up the chain, then make an investment, because to be realistic, it's a real business, and all businesses require investment. The only thing is, I've found this model is the cheapest way the most low cost entry point to get into a real online business. That's about it. So sign up there and I'll send you my trainings and stuff. And that is it from me. So just if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell and all that sort of stuff so you get notified from other videos. But yeah, basically I'm just here to try and give you as much real information. There's so much crap out there, but real world information that's working, and then demonstrating what I'm doing and with proof. So that's the difference. So if that works for you, and if you think that's where you want to begin, then definitely join me, because I'm moving up. So, and I would like to bring you with me. Anyway, thanks for watching, and catch you on the next video.